research department. We'll have a look at technical view on equity market. We'll begin with daily chart of Nifty, where we can see that after 3 days negative sessions, Nifty has posted a positive daily close. It opened on positive note and traded with bullish bias throughout the day and posted a strong positive close. Overall, we can see that Nifty has taken support near 8100 and 8088 will continue to act as a crucial support zone. And as long as Nifty trades above this support zone, there is scope for further extension on the upside. The daily momentum indicator that had gone into bearish mode in yesterday's session has once again triggered bullish crossover today. So the momentum is once again in favor of bulls and suggests further upside potential in coming sessions. On the higher side, 82.25, 82.45 will be the key resistance area to watch out for. And once bulls manage to surpass this resistance zone, then Nifty will open up significant upside potential for itself and can climb to level of 8400 in next few sessions. Moving on to hourly chart, we can see that after falling from hourly upper Bollinger Band towards hourly lower Bollinger Band, Nifty formed a consolidation near the junction of 40 hourly exponential moving average and hourly lower Bollinger Band. It formed a short-term base over there, and from there it has broken out on the upside. It has once again tested its hourly upper Bollinger Band in today's session. In terms of price pattern, it has the potential to form from that consolidation range. Nifty has broken out on the upside today and has tested its hourly upper Bollinger Band. So here on, we can see higher levels in sessions to come. The hourly momentum indicator that had dipped into the negative territory has now again entered the positive territory and is trading above the 9-period moving average. So the hourly as well as daily momentum indicator is in favor of bulls now, and Nifty can climb to levels of 82.25, 82.45, and if that is surpassed, then possibly till 8400. Moving on to Bank Nifty, we can see that Bank Nifty has also jumped up today. It has taken support near 40 daily exponential moving average and 20 daily simple moving average, and from those crucial moving averages, Nifty has jumped up in today's session. Basically, it has broken out from an inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is a multi-week pattern. So its significance is likely to be, the bullish significance is likely to, larger picture shows that Bank Nifty has broken out from an inverted head and shoulders pattern, and the significance will be bullish from short to medium term perspective. And the base formation is a healthy one in terms of consolidation, and Bank Nifty can see higher levels in sessions to come. However, the daily momentum indicator in case of Bank Nifty is in bearish mode, and the daily momentum indicator is yet to trigger fresh buy signal. Once we get the fresh buy signal, we can see momentum picking up on the upside. And in sessions to come, the levels to watch out for are 17,759 and 17,827 on the upside. Crucial supports are 17,400 and 17,111 on the downside. Thank you.